Many treatments are available for snoring, and what is most effective depends on the severity and cause of snoring. Sometimes simply losing weight or treating nasal allergies is effective. Surgery for the upper airway can be very effective, as can appliances that are placed in the mouth and worn during sleep. Breathe Right nasal strips are bandage-like devices worn on the outside of the nose that spread the nostrils and can reduce or eliminate snoring. A newer device called Theravent is also a bandage-like device, but goes a step further by including small valves that produce positive airway pressure inside the nose and keep the airway open. Hello, I'm Dr. Ronald Popper. Thank you for watching. If you or a loved one needs more information on sleep disorders, please visit our website at sleepmd4u.com, where you'll find more videos in this series, as well as our white paper on obstructive sleep apnea that is free for you to download. For a direct consultation, you can reach us through our website or by calling the number on your screen. Always remember, sleep well tonight for a better day tomorrow.